Well, good morning everybody. Heading off on my walking tour in Athens. The scariest part of my day is getting into this closet that they call a lift. And hoping I'll get to the bottom floor. Oh, can get out. Good morning everybody, off on my walking tour, about a 1.8k walk to get to the start of the tour. Let's go for a little walk through the streets of Athens, shall we? Hey guys, okay, so I'm here at the Hadrian's Arch, or Hadrian's Gate. This is where the walking tour starts. I'm a little bit early. Tour goes for about 2.5 to 3 hours. It's already about 35 degrees and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, so I'm going to see how I go. If I can't do the whole tour, that's okay. Yeah, so I've got about 20 minutes before we head off, so no one here at the moment, so it could be a private tour. We'll just wait and see.
Can you all hear me? Come a little bit closer. Well, let's move up here so we can have a good picture here. All right. So what had taken place, the Romans came to Greece, okay? This is when Hadrian came up. Now, the Romans entered into Greece from the 1st century to the 4th century AD. And in 393 AD, the Christians came along. With all the walking. Okay. So come forward so you can take some photos. Mind a little step there. Yeah. So, yeah, get your breath. You getting it? Yeah. Yeah. And he's amazing at his work. He does all the Medusas, the eyes all over Athens. So you will see quite a bit of his work around. These guys that do paintings like this, they actually have a license. It's like having a license to kill. Okay. They're allowed to paint the city. It's the ones that don't have the license, they do the graffiti. This one, and how far now you can go. So the Greeks freaked out. They said, how are we going to eat? Because you have to feed a land. If you have a look over here, this is the ancient Agora Museum, everybody. There's this huge building over here, okay? Ancient Agora Museum. And this is the passageway that people can come up down. 72 temples, 250 monasteries, taking the building materials to build this church. Now we call it So King Otto said, well, the tradition of the uniform, okay? But I love horses, so I want these soldiers to look like a horse, to sound like a horse, and to march like a horse. So underneath their shoes, which each shoe weighs 1.5 kilograms, they have 60 nails and a horseshoe. They march like this, like a horse in a gallop.
So that was a really great walking tour. I'll put the link down below for it. It was Athens free walking tour. It went for 3 hours. Yep, 3 hours. And the tour guide, Sam, was excellent. She really knew her stuff, was really engaging, and was really enjoyable to wander the streets of Athens and learn about the history. She also told us lots of different restaurants and places to go. Ooh, straps in the way. Where the locals go, which was really good, and where to buy, how to bargain for things, how much you should pay. So she was really, really, really good. So I'll leave the link down below. It is a free tour. The tour guides actually work on tips. So as a rule of thumb, I usually give about $10. No matter what walking tour I'm on, no matter what country I'm in, I usually give about $10. And I was checking out how much people were giving, and the majority of people were giving about $10. So it was a really good tour. I probably would have given 20 because it did go for 3 hours, but like I said, the majority of people were giving 10, so I thought I'll stick to a budget and stuff in the way anyway. And I gave the 10, but it was really, really worth it. So like I said, I'll stick the link down below, and definitely check it out. And check out the free walking tours. In most capital cities you'll find the free walking tours, and they work on tips. So if it's a really good tour, tip well. If it's not a really good tour, don't give them a big tip. Simple as that. That's it for this vlog. Tomorrow I am heading off to the Acropolis. I'm really excited about that, and to the Acropolis Museum. So yeah, that will be my next vlog. So thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye.